Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining my video. So today I'm gonna just kind of talk about and show you guys my turbo engine lid. I had been looking for one for a while. You know, my car started off as a naturally aspirated automatic car, and I've been building it. Some of you guys might know me or follow me. My Instagram handle is MRPhase2, MRPHA2E. And so yeah, I've been looking for an engine lid for quite some time. Didn't have some luck. I did find one on OfferUp, and I hit up the guy. It was a nice white one. It was perfect. He was asking $500. And, you know, I hit him up, but of course he did the famous, gave me like one response and then went ghost. And I was like, hey, can I come look at it? Hey, can I come see it? Completely ghost. So, you know, I said, whatever, when the time's right. And then I got lucky. I met this one guy, and he, you know, they import cars and stuff like that. And he said he had one lying around, which was black, which, you know, wasn't exactly the color I wanted, but eventually, you know, these things are getting harder to find. So he, you know, I hit him up like a year later and he still had it, and gave me a pretty good price on it. So here's the video of me just kind of painting it and doing it the way I like. And it turns out black was a great color. Okay, so we're at this state. It's been sanded down with 180 grit and then 600 grit alcohol, and now we're going to use some automotive primer, sandable primer. We're going to do 2 light coats followed by 1 medium coat, and we're gonna allow 10 minutes. All right. So 2 layers of primer have been applied. I'm gonna go for the 3rd coat, and I've waited 10 minutes in between each coat. Now I have to say, guys, if you're thinking about doing this, if you're thinking about painting, let me just show you something. You have to get one of these masks. It's awesome. They cost $35 at Harbor Freight. I'll show you in a little bit more detail. And you gotta get one of these lights. Game changer. Okay? Let's get back to cleaning. So, I've sanded down the primer. I'm just gonna finish touches. You know, just make sure it's all sanded, and then I'm gonna start painting. Pretty exciting. I use 600 grit, and it's going good so far. Let's see what happens next. And now it's ready to paint. Pretty excited. This is the first time I've actually been able to give painting like my all, and primarily because I never had a place to do it, and finally I have a place. I have this room. It's an extra room, and it's cool to just kind of sit down and focus. And that's a wrap. Some of my best work yet. Yay. Pretty exciting. The paint looks really good. Just gotta kind of like wet sand it when it's dry.
but I'm super duper happy. Probably some of my best work. Messed up my whole room. There's dust everywhere. The wife's probably gonna kill me, but hey, at least I have a nice engine lid. Alright.
Alright, so here's the finished product. I like it. I think it looks good. The whole car is black and white now. And you can see kind of inside there, kind of cool. Really digging it. Obviously, you know, it's not anything crazy like super gloss or anything like that, because you know, I don't want like that to look super brand new and the whole car kind of looks a little bit older. So I think it fits perfectly. Pretty excited. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found it entertaining, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future content. I've got some more things I'm doing with the build, and I appreciate you guys. And if you ever see me in person, don't forget to say hi. See you guys on the road.